Hi friends, you are most welcome on my YouTube channel, Digital Marketing with Gaurav. Today our topic is Oracle BlueKai DMP interview questions answers. So in this video we are going to see around 50 questions which is frequently related to the Oracle BlueKai marketing DMP, that is a data management platform, and it's frequently used for the marketing automations and mobile kind of marketing where we are leveraging the power of data, customers' data. So let's start one by one questions and answer. Here, first question is what is Oracle BlueKai? Answer: Oracle BlueKai is a data management platform (DMP) that helps businesses collect, organize, and activate audience data for digital marketing and advertising campaigns. Next question: what are the key features of Oracle BlueKai? Answer: there are some features. First one is audience segmentation, third party data marketplace. Third one is the cross device targeting, integration with marketing platforms, data privacy compliances. Next question: how does Oracle BlueKai collect data? Answer: it gathers data from first party source, second party source, and third party source. First party is just like website, CRM, mobile applications, etc. And second party source is the partners. Third party source is external data provider that can be. Fourth number question is what industries use Oracle BlueKai? Answer: retail, in e-commerce, finance, travel, healthcare, and media industries use Oracle BlueKai. Fifth question is how does BlueKai help marketers? Answer: it enables better audience insights, personalized advertising, and data-driven decision making. What is an audience segment in BlueKai? Answer: a group of user categorized based on behavior, demographics, or interest of ad targeting. Through this audience segment we can create audience segment in BlueKai. What is a lookalike audience in BlueKai? Answer: lookalike audience is a AI-driven feature that finds new users similar to high-performing audiences. Eighth number question: how do you create an audience segment in BlueKai? Answer: by defining rules such as location, device type, purchase behavior, and demographics, you can create an audience segment in Oracle BlueKai. Ninth number question: what is the difference between first party and third party data in BlueKai? Answer: first party data is data that owned by the businesses, just like CRM data, and third party data is purchased from external vendors. This kind of data is called as the third party data. 10th number question is how does BlueKai ensure data accuracy? Answer: through data validations rules, identity resolution, and machine learning algorithms, you can ensure data accuracy. How does BlueKai integrate with Google Ads and Facebook? Answer: through API based audience syndications for targeted ad campaigns, you can leverage the features of Oracle BlueKai with the Google Ads and Facebook. 12th number question is what is BlueKai's data marketplace? Answer: data marketplace is a repository of third party data that businesses can buy for audience enrichment. 13th number question: how does cross device targeting work in Oracle BlueKai? Answer: it identifies and tracks users across multiple devices using deterministic and probabilistic methods. Question is what is a suppression list in BlueKai? Answer: list of excluded users. For example, existing customer to optimize ad spend. That is, we can create a list that we are going to exclude particular users or list of users, that is called as a suppression list. What is frequency capping in BlueKai? Answer: it limits how many times an ad is shown to a user to avoid overexposures. How does Oracle BlueKai comply with GDPR and CCPA? Answer: through user consent management, data anonymization, and strict governance policies, you can comply with the GDPR and CCPA. What happens when a user opts out of BlueKai tracking? Answer, their data stops being collected and they are removed from audience segments. 18th number, how does BlueKai handles third-party cookies deprecation? Answer, by focusing on first-party data, contextual targeting, and hashed email identity resolution. 19th number question, how long does BlueKai retain user data? Answer, typically 90 to 180 days, depending on privacy setting. You can retain users' data. What is hashed email identity resolution? Answer, a method where email addresses are encrypted to match users across platforms securely. You can hashed email identity resolution. What reports are available in Oracle BlueKai? Answer, reports available in Oracle BlueKai audience insights report, segment performance reports, and data overlap analysis report is available in Oracle BlueKai. How do you measure audience engagement in BlueKai? Answer, by analyzing impression, click-through rates, and conversion metrics. You can identify the engagement rate audience in in BlueKai. What is the data overlap analysis in Oracle BlueKai? Answer, a method to identify shared users between different segments for better targeting. What KPI are important in BlueKai campaigns? Answer, reach, CTR, conversion rate, ROI, and engagement rate is the important KPI for Oracle BlueKai campaigns. What is audience enrichment in BlueKai? Answer, adding third-party data to first-party data for deeper insight. Next question, 26 number question is, how do you optimize audience segments for better performance? Answer, by refining segmentation criteria, removing low-performing users, and using look-alike audience. You can optimize audience segments for better performance. How does Oracle BlueKai support e-commerce marketing? Answer, by enabling personalized targeting, abandoned cart retargeting, and seasonal segmentation. You can support e-commerce marketing through the Oracle BlueKai. Next question, 28th number. How does Oracle BlueKai help in B2B marketing? Answer, it allows firms to segment audiences based on industry, firmographics, and job titles. 29th number question is, how do you ensure data compliance in international campaigns? Answer, by adhering to regional privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA through user consent management. 30 number question, how do you implement A/B testing in BlueKai? Answer, by creating two separate audience segments and measuring engagement metrics. You can implement A/B testing of Oracle BlueKai audience. What role does AI play in BlueKai? Answer, AI helps in predictive analytics, lookalike modeling, and dynamic audience segmentation. 32nd number question, how do you use BlueKai for predictive analytics? Answer, by leveraging AI to forecast user behavior and optimized ad campaigns. You can use BlueKai for predictive analytics. Next question, what are the benefits of using BlueKai over other DMPs, that is the data management platforms? Answer is, extensive third-party data access, seamless Oracle integration, and strong identity resolution is the benefits of Oracle BlueKai over the other DMPs. 34th number question is, what challenges arises in data integration with BlueKai? Answer is, ensuring data consistency, identity resolution, and managing multiple data resources. 35th number question is, what is deterministic versus probabilistic matching in identity resolution? Answer, deterministic uses exact matches just like email logins, while the probabilistic uses AI to match user based on behaviors. 36th number question is how does BlueKai improve omni-channel marketing? Answer: by allowing data activation across web, mobile, social media, and email. You can improve your omni-channel marketing. 37th number question: how do you troubleshoot data discrepancies in BlueKai? Answer is by checking data sources, integration logs, and audience matching rates. You can troubleshoot your data discrepancies in Oracle BlueKai. Guys, if you like my video, then thank you. Next question: what is Oracle ID Graph? Answer: Oracle's identity resolution framework for cross-device tracking. How does subscription list optimization improve campaigns? Answer: it prevents showing ads to irrelevant users, saving ad spend. It's a very important thing in any kind of marketing DMP to suppression list. Sorry. 40 number question is how do you integrate BlueKai with Oracle Eloqua and Responses? Answer is by using data connectors and API based audience syndication. You can leverage these benefits. How does BlueKai handles offline data? Answer: Oracle BlueKai allows businesses to improve offline data just like CRM, POS, call center, interactions, surveys, and match it with online user profile using hashed email identity resolution or other identifiers. This enables businesses to integrate offline and online customers' behavior for better audience segmentation and targeting. 42nd number question: how can BlueKai help with personalization? Answer: Oracle BlueKai enables personalization by segmenting user based on behavior, interest, and demographics. Second one is the providing real-time customer insight for dynamic ad customization. Third point is enabling cross-channel targeting, ensuring users receive personalized content across websites, emails, and ads. Last one is enhancing first-party data with third-party insight for better recommendation. 43rd number question: what are use cases for B2C marketing in BlueKai? Answer: e-commerce personalization, retargeting campaigns, location-based advertising, loyalty program targeting, lookalike audience expansions. These all use cases for the B2B marketing in BlueKai. E-commerce personalization shows users product recommendation based on browsing history, while the retargeting campaigns re-engaging customer who abandoned shopping carts, and location-based advertising targeting users with offers based on their location. Loyalty program targeting identifying and rewarding high-value customers, while the lookalike audience expansion finding new customers similar to the high-volume ones. 44th number question: what challenges exist in mobile data tracking? Answer: there are some challenges which is occurs while the mobile data tracking, that is the limited third-party cookies, cross-device identification, app data restrictions, privacy compliances. See one by one. Limited third-party cookies. Many mobile browsers and apps restrict cookies. Cross-device identification. Users switch between devices, making tracking difficult. App data restrictions. Some platforms like iOS with app tracking transparencies limit data collections. Privacy compliances. Regulations like GDPR and CCPA impose strict rules on mobile data tracking. Here is the solution. Oracle BlueKai uses device fingerprinting, SDKs integrations, and hashed identity resolution to track users across mobile environments. 45th number question is how do you handle real-time data activations? Answer: using APIs and integrations to push audience data to ad platforms in real time. Second one is the employing event-based triggers that update audience segments instantly based on users' actions. Third one is leveraging real-time bidding (RTBs) to adjust ad targeting dynamically. Fourth one is the syncing with Oracle Marketing Cloud for immediate campaign adjustments. 46th number question is, how do you measure ROI in Bluekai campaigns? Answer: conversion tracking, cost per acquisition, customer life value, audience engagement metrics, A/B testing results. Let's see one by one these all points. Conversion tracking, analyzing how many targeted users complete desired actions just like purchases, sign-ups, cost per acquisition, comparing advertising spend to customer acquisition cost, and customer lifetime value, estimating long-term revenue from Bluekai driven customers, audience engagement metrics, click-through rate, bounce rate, and time spent on site. A/B testing result, comparing the campaign performing across different audience segments. 47th number question is, what type of data segments perform best? Answer: behavioral segment based on browsing and purchase history. Intent based segment, user searching for a specific product or services. Loyalty based segments, frequent buyer, VIP customers. And demographic segments, age, gender, location. Lookalike segment, users resembling high value customers. So these all points we should consider while we are segmenting data for best performance. Highly performance segments typically combines first party data with third party enrichment. 48 number question. How does Bluekai help publishers monetize data? Answer: selling anonymized audience segment via the Bluekai data marketplace, providing targeted advertising opportunities to advertisers using their data, enhancing ad inventory value by offering better audience insight. Last one is the personalizing content recommendations to boost engagement and revenue from premium content. 49th number question. How do APIs work in Bluekai? Answer: Bluekai offers APIs for data ingestion, importing CRM, offline and third-party data, audience segmentation, creating, updating and managing segments programmatically. Third point is the data activation, sending audience data to ad platforms, DSPs and marketing tools, reporting and analytics, fetching audience insight, overlap analysis, performance metrics. APIs allow seamless integration with Google Ads, Facebook, Oracle Marketing Cloud, and other platforms. Last question is, how do you build a strong data strategy with Bluekai? Answer is, define clear objectives, identify what you want to achieve. For example, better targeting, customer retention. Second one is leverage first party data. Use CRM, website, and offline data for personalized marketing. Third point is enrich data with third party sources. Improve audience insight with external data. Fourth point is ensure data privacy compliance. Follow GDPR, CCPA, and other regulations. Fifth number is use AI and machine learnings. Optimize audience segmentation and predictive analytics. Sixth number is integrate with marketing platforms. Connect Bluekai with ad platforms and CRM systems. Seventh number is measure performance and optimize. Continuously analyze engagement and refine the targeting strategies. So these were 50 questions related to the Oracle Bluekai and DMP's questions, answers. So thank you for watching my video. If you get valued from this video, then please hit like button and do subscribe and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you.